Here we are once again with day 18. So today we're going to be doing a few hair mods. Apache Sky Hair, KS Hairdos, Multicolor KS Hairdos, and KS Hairdos SMP. So go ahead and first start with Apache Sky Hair. This is a 3-part mod. You will need all 3 parts. Go ahead, Mod Manager, download full. You do not need the wigs. Download females and download males. Next we have KS Hairdos SSE. Go ahead and download both female and male. Next one is multicolored KS hairs. You can go ahead and skip this one, it doesn't really matter. It does not have an ESP, it's just texture files. Next one is SMP. Go ahead and download it. Next part, we're going to go ahead and install these hairs. So first, Apache Sky Hair. It will pop up with this window if you're using MO2. Just right click on data and set data directory. Next, female. Same thing. Merge it. Next one is male. Once again, set data directory and OK. Merge it. Now we are on to the KS Hairdos. So, first of all, go ahead and install the male version. Before you install the next part, go ahead and open KS Hairdos SSE on the left. Rename kshairdos.esp to KS Hairdos Male. And close. Now, install female. Merge it. Once that's done, KS Hairdos SMP. This will have a faux mod. You can choose to install the wigs. It's up to you. And now for the last one, Multicolored KS Hairdos Female. You can choose to use all hair install or manual install. All hair will install all, and whichever one is set to win in the faux mod will automatically win this. Or you can choose to manual install. I'm going to use all hair install just to make it a little easier. Now you can enable the 4 mods on the left. And you will notice Multicolored KS Hair automatically overwrites KS Hairdos, but go ahead and hit sort because you need Apache Sky Hair to be at the top since they are ESMs. Then go ahead and close Cortex. Since I started recording this session, well, Cortex is updated 2.0A10. This fixed something that was actually related to the video I'm making. So go ahead and close Cortex. Go to the Cortex Discord and download the latest version, 2.0A10. Let's go ahead and save it to Cortex folder, show in folder, right click, 7-zip, extract here. Let it overwrite everything. Go ahead and delete the archive and relaunch Cortex. Now we can properly install Multicolored KS Hairdos. Now you should be able to run the VFS. Switch to Finis and run Finis. This time when you run Finis, you should not have error 76, and instead you should be informed that it completed properly. You can now terminate the VFS. Now we're going to go ahead and install a few files. So first of all, go to your downloads folder, select both KS Hair files and the Apache Sky Hair files, right click, 7-zip, extract to //. Once you have extracted those, let's go ahead and add new mod from folder, select folder, and any order, male, do not select data. Once again, go to the mod files location of male, go to data, rename KS Hairdos to KS Hairdos Male. Close it. Enable all 5. On the right, in the downloads pane, install KS Hairdos SMP. Next. Next. Wigs is up to you. It'll be an extra plugin though if you use it. And close. Go ahead and right click, click install, next, next, and whatever. Once done, go ahead and close it. Enable Multicolored KS Hair and SMP Physics. Right click on the left and refresh, and you should have these plugins. For this to work properly, you will need the ESM files of Apache, to be at the top. I'd recommend directly below the SRO files. Properly sorting with Loot is highly recommended. If you use Vortex Mod Manager, you should be able to just click Install All. Give it a few seconds. After a little while, you'll have SMP Physics pop up. Go ahead and finish unless you wanted the wigs. A little bit later, you'll have multicolored KS hairdos pop up, and we're just going to use the all. And shortly after that, you'll have mods installed. Go ahead and hit enable. A few seconds later, you'll have the dependencies column populate, and multicolored KS hairdos. We want it to load after both the male and the female. So hit it, save, and male should load before female. One last change, right click on male, open in File Manager. Rename the ESP to KS hairdos male. Deploy. Go to Plugins and enable KS hairdos male. The other files should automatically be enabled. Do not enable them, and then hit sort now to confirm Apache Sky Hair is at the top of the list with USEP.